Hey everyone, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. Today we are creating a motion poster effect, like this. So let's start it. Before we doing animation in After Effects, you have to spend some time in Photoshop. As you can see, I am already making a separate layer of our main character and other objects. And you have to make a clean plate of your background, like this. After making, separate all of your layer, then save your file. Now, go to After Effects and import your file. Right-click, go to Import and choose File, and select your file. After Import File, you see this pop-up window. Select Import Kind, Composition, Retain Layer Size, and merge layer styles into the footage. After importing this, you see After Effects automatically creates composition. This composition depends on your image size. After Effects also creates a folder of all your separated layer, like this. I think we need only one, so delete the second layer. Now create a new composition, 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. Change comp name main comp. Then drag your background layer into the timeline. Resize it if required. Also, drag all of these three objects and kept in the place where they were kept in the original image. Now drag our main character, and also place the same position where they were kept in the original image. You can also add some element to make more natural, so I have some element here, that's I gonna use it. This is an optional. So now drag our first element, smoke footage, and change blending mode screen. You can see the smoke here. Now drag fire particle footage. And also change the blending mode. Then drag explosive footage, change blending mode normal to add, and resize the footage. Now drag our second explosive footage, and change blending mode. Now drag barbed wire, and resize your footage if required. Then add spark image, and change blending mode screen. Now select all layer and make 3D layer. Then create new camera. I am using 35mm preset camera. And create a null layer. Parent your camera with null layer. Go to View Layout and select two views horizontal. So your window look like this. If your window not look like this, then select this window and select top view. Now select your background layer and move Z position far away from camera. And resize it. Then select all these airplane and move Z position far away from camera. And resize it and place where they actually kept. Then move our main character far away from camera. Resize it and place it. We want our smoke show only in bottom side of composition. So select smoke layer and select pen tool to create mask. Then press M to open mask property, change feather around 300, and opacity 60%. Now select fire particle footage and move far away behind the main character and resize it. Then select explosive footage and move little far away from the camera and resize it, and place where you want. I am just showing you example, it is not compulsory to add each element, it's all depends on your choice. I am just showing you how to put your element, so that it's look like 3D. Now select second explosive and move too far away from camera. Then move spark layer in Z position. And resize it. I just want little bit spark on my screen, so I move this little bit out of the frame. After all adjustment, your comp look like this on top views. Now select null layer and hit P for position. Also convert null layer into 3D layer. Then go to first frame and add a keyframe on position. Go to view frame forward and add a keyframe. Then go to around 6 seconds forward and add a keyframe. Now go to again first frame, and change Z position to close to camera. Like this. Then go to the second keyframe, and change Z position a little bit far away from our last Z position, so it comes fast, then came slowly to the main position. Now we want to animate these 3 fighter plane, so select all 3 layer, hit P for position, and add a keyframes, then go to last keyframe and move X position little bit. Now add little movement of our main character, so I am using puppet tool. Add some point like this. Then go few frame forward and move puppet point like this. Perfect, it's look good to me. You can adjust the keyframe anytime, if you think your animation looks slow or fast. Now add some rotation on camera. So select null layer, go around 5 seconds forward and add a keyframe on Y rotation. And go to the last frame and move Y rotation little bit. You can adjust your keyframes any time. If you think smoke not visible clearly, so change the opacity and move the smoke layer. Our animation has done, so turn on motion blur of all layer and main comp. Hit 0 for render. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share it, like it, and subscribe our channel. For more tutorial, I'll see you in the next video.